This is a rental unit. There are 2 bedrooms, and my brother-in-law, Justin, had an old roommate, and so he was in the smaller bedroom, which now his new roommate's in, and it was just hard to plan. The state of it was just bare bones. Mattress on the floor, no blinds, blinds that are just really cheap and crooked. The reason that we decided to do this whole thing was because, bless his heart, I adore him and I just wanted him to be happy. And also I had just said, if there's any hope for my future sister-in-law, this is not happening. My budget was $2,000. And I think that it was a fair budget based on everything Justin wanted to do. Bed frame with storage. Again, I'm a big storage believer, as you all know. His bed has 4 drawers, so things that are just really awkward to store, like your overnight bag or, your gym clothes, running shoes, etc. His side tables, I wanted them to be off the ground just to keep it more open and airy, but they do have a cupboard that opens. You can tuck away your cables, extra candles, whatever you need. A big thing to make condo spaces feel cozy, and I'm a big believer in drapes. The second thing would be textures. So having a duvet, having staging pillows as well as sleeping pillows. If it was up to him, he'd sleep with no pillows. So we agreed on 6, and he throws everything on the floor like anyone does. The other thing that I did was paint, and so the paint that's on the main wall is almost like a dark green, and tying that with the duvet cover is a checkered plaid. So I guess you could say like modern lumberjack feeling. When you're doing an accent wall, you shouldn't paint the bulkhead because there's just a break in continuity. Accent walls typically only work if it's completely delineated on all sides. Not a half wall, not something that has a tapered. It has to be a complete rectangle because those are the only ones that'll work really well. Every man needs a place to put his cufflinks, his watch, plug in his phone. I just wanted a touchdown station where when he came in after a long day, he could dump his things in some place that can also look great, but is also super functional. That way, they're not littered all over your floor like a typical bachelor pad would be. Justin was just blown away. I think he's never really had the focus on him to create something that can be so great. I mean, he loves it, and I love that he loves it. At the end of the day, that's the most important thing, is he was blown away and was pretty much speechless.